Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Canva for presentations. First, navigate to Canva's website and select Presentations to begin. You can choose from a wide array of pre-designed templates or start with a blank canvas. Consider your topic and audience when making your selection. This initial step sets the foundation for a visually appealing and engaging presentation. Once you've chosen a template, it's time to customize. Click on any element to edit its properties, such as color, font, or size. You can easily swap out images by dragging new ones from the media library onto your slide. Experiment with different layouts and design elements to achieve your desired aesthetic. Remember, consistency in design enhances readability. Now, let's add your content. Click the Text tab to insert headings, subheadings, or body text. Explore the Elements tab for a rich selection of shapes, lines, and graphics. You can also upload your own media, like photos or videos, to enrich your presentation. Ensure your text is legible and your visuals support your message clearly. Finally, it's time to share your masterpiece. You can download your presentation in formats like PDF, JPG, or even as a video. Canva also allows you to present directly from the platform or share a view-only link with others. For those looking to streamline their daily routines, check out the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. This makes sharing your work simple and efficient.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.